Every clinic opens with one purpose: helping patients. But before care begins, administrative work already starts building up. Calls, emails, forms, and scheduling requests arrive continuously, taking valuable time away from the people who need attention. Patient records, insurance checks, and routine updates may seem simple, but together they consume hours every week. These tasks are important, but repeating them manually prevents healthcare teams from focusing on higher value work. Smart automation helps clinics handle repetitive processes faster, while keeping their teams fully in control. AI voice agents, automated forms, and connected workflows handle routine tasks without interrupting daily clinic operations. When repetitive work becomes easier, healthcare professionals gain more time for conversations, decisions, and patient relationships. The goal of automation is simple: reduce unnecessary work and create a smoother experience for both staff and patients. Healthcare should always remain human. Automation simply removes the busy work, allowing teams to focus on what matters most.